Hey there, YouTube creators! Welcome back to Expert Agency, where we help you grow and succeed on YouTube. If you're looking to build a successful channel and grow your audience, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down some powerful tips to help you grow your YouTube channel faster. Let's get started. First things first, there's no secret formula, but there are proven strategies that, when applied correctly, can drastically improve your growth. So today we'll cover 1. Creating high-quality content. 2. Nailing SEO for search visibility. 3. Using eye-catching thumbnails. 4. Engaging with your audience. 5. Collaborating with other creators. 6. Consistency and scheduling. 7. Analyzing and improving using YouTube analytics. Ready to dive in. Creating high-quality content. First up, high-quality content. It might sound obvious, but the foundation of any successful channel is great content. Make sure your videos are engaging, informative, and well-edited. Plan your scripts, or at least outline your main points. Invest in good lighting and a decent microphone to make your videos look and sound professional. Remember, quality matters. Nailing SEO for search visibility. Next, YouTube is a search engine, so using the right keywords is crucial. Focus on titles, descriptions, and tags. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find popular and relevant keywords in your niche. Also, make sure your titles are catchy, yet informative. Eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are your video's first impression, so make them count. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and a clear image to grab viewers' attention. Keep your design simple but engaging. People should be able to tell what your video is about with just one glance. Engaging with your audience. Now let's talk about engagement. Reply to comments, ask your viewers questions, and encourage them to share their thoughts in the comments section. This interaction boosts your video's engagement and helps build a loyal community around your channel. Collaborating with other creators' collaboration is another fantastic way to grow. Team up with creators in your niche to tap into each other's audiences. Make sure the collaboration brings value to both sets of viewers and benefits everyone involved. Consistency and scheduling. Consistency is key on YouTube. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a month, let your audience know when to expect new content. Consistency builds trust and keeps your subscribers coming back. Using YouTube analytics. Lastly, use YouTube analytics to learn what's working and what isn't. Study your audience retention, click-through rates, and traffic sources. Use this data to improve your content and optimize your strategy. So there you have it, creators. By applying these strategies, you can steadily grow your channel and build a strong community. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on YouTube success, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching and keep creating amazing videos. See you next time.